Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Showing you guys how I achieved those lovely curls. The hair I purchased was from CurlsCurls. I'll leave a link in the description box below. So that's the packaging, very nice. Those are some instructions on how you can install the hair. There's the hair and it's 14 inches. Some extra clips. You want to ensure that you cleanse the hair properly before installing. So I use some contour conditioner just to cleanse, do a co-wash. The package came with 10 clip-ins. They were all the same lengths but different widths. There wasn't much shedding, just a little. After co-washing, you can just leave the hair to hair dry. You can install it same time, but I choose to leave mine to hair dry. I'm just leaving a section of my natural hair to the side and at the front so I can blend it with my clip-ins, you know, to have a more natural look. Here I'm just adding some braids going back. Your braids don't have to be neat because nobody will be seeing them. Yes, so here I'm just adding some Eco Styler gel to my natural hair so that it can blend well with the clip-ins. And there I have my first clip-in, and I'll be starting from the back and then work my way up. Yes guys, and they are very sturdy, so no need to worry about them falling out. So guys, we're almost there, and I'm going with a side part as I told you guys before. So here I'm just using some water on the clip ends. And we're almost there. So as I said before, you just want to ensure that you blend. Blend, guys, blend. Here I'll be adding some anti-Jackie's leave-in conditioner, mainly to the clip-ins. So guys, the key is just to ensure that you blend your hair properly with your clip-ins and you'll be fine. The style is very easy, very simple, cute, sassy. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed watching this video and just subscribe and be a part of the family.